In front of me is ROG Phone 8, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration options. You need to begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Sound and Vibration. Following that, scroll down again and click on Shortcut to prevent ringing. Then tap on Vibrate to set it up. When you finished, go back, scroll down again and select Vibration and Haptics at the very bottom. Then to enable them, use gray switcher at the top. To switch them off, click on the same now blue one. If you decided to enable them, you can adjust intensity of all of those options thanks to proper sliders. You can also click on those two switchers next to Vibrate first then Ring gradually to switch it on or off, and haptic feedback for tap, keyboard and more. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!